Hello everyone, this is to show you the power of spoon mashing. It won't be perfect because I'm laying my controller flat on the table, but it'll show you the power of spoon mashing. That is, mashing both A and B buttons on an NES controller using a spoon. So the game I've chosen for that is Capcom's Gold Medal Challenge 92. We'll do the 100-meter dash. It's pretty easy. You mash buttons A and B until the gun fires, you press up to start running, and you make it as fast as possible as quickly as possible to the end of the track. So I'll do a normal one first just to show you my mashing. Not a very good start, not a very good mashing, but we'll get there. We'll get there in like 12 seconds maybe. Yeah, 12:75. Not so good. Even with a better start, maybe a 12 seconds something. Not below 12 seconds for sure. Now we'll do the same thing but mashing. So I'll just slightly tilt my controller. I'll try to readjust things. Okay. Try to do it that way. I usually have it like at an angle next to my leg, next to my thigh, so it's really easy. Not a good start. The noise is a bit annoying. As you can see, the speed is not annoying. Yeah, 843 with a really bad start. So yeah, that's how you spoon mash. If you're trying to do one button mashing, what you can do is try to either tilt your spoon so you just go over one of the buttons, or try to tilt your spoon like that, just going over one of the buttons again. So thanks for watching this. Hope this helps you mash better on an NES controller for any game you want to play where both buttons are involved.